Good morning. Today's we will discuss about the new chapter, chapter number 13. Why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? This is the name of chapter. When we do this exercise, means why do we fall ill? We realized that health and disease, health and disease both are interconnected with each other, and we realize that idea of health and disease means they are interdependent with each other. You know that our cells are present in our body, or you can say our body is composed of cells, and these cells are performing continuously some metabolic activities. You know metabolic activities? It is a construction and destruction process. Destruction process means some molecules constitute with each other and form a larger molecule. For example, in the case of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water combined with each other form the glucose. And destruction process means some large molecules somehow break down into a simpler molecules, such as in the case of respiration, glucose molecules breaks into carbon dioxide and water. Means cell perform continuously some activities, and we can say the cell, those type of cell which are present in our body will not move. Means those cells which do not show any type of movement or which does not go from one place to another place, they have a repairing process. Means old and diseased cell will repair by the dividing process, whereas those cells which are showing the movable activities, they goes into some organs such as in the liver or in the spleens and breaking down them and form a new cell. For example, RBC, which is present in our blood, which circulate all over our body, goes into the liver and spleen, then it breaks down and then manufactures a new cell in our bone marrow. So here is a repairing and process continuously happening in our body. For example, heart is beating, heart is beating, lungs is breathing, kidney is filtering urine, kidney is filtering urine, and these are the activity which are performed by the cell continuously. And also brain is thinking, brain is thinking. When we see it, all these activity are interconnected with each other. But how? You know that if the kidney are not filtered to the blood, if the kidney are not filtering to the blood, then poisonous substance will be accumulated in our body. Under such condition, brain will not working, brain will not thinking. So they are interconnected, and breathing process is also affected. and such interconnected activities for the happening some interconnected activities, there is a requirement of a supplement, because these cells which are working of beating and breathing and filtering and thinking are for this purpose our cell requires for the carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. These are the raw material which takes from outside by ourselves or by the human body, and then makes a new cell for the repairing process, and makes new cell for the beating process, breathing process and filtering process and thinking process. These are the process which are interconnect with each other, and there is a requirement of raw material from the outside. And when all these raw material properly get by our body, then this all the activities are happening in very well. We can say this is a healthy body. But if we cannot get these type of material, carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins properly, so there is a lack of something, lack of the metabolic activities, lack of the beating, lack of the breathing, or lack of the filtering of our urine, and then causes the accumulated of the nitrogenous waste material which are harmful for our body. So it produce unhealthy of the body, it makes unhealthy to our body. We can say this is a disease. Means health is maintained by the supplement of the carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, minerals and water. And if we will not get these type of supplement, then it will produce a type of disorder, it will produce a type of symptoms by which all the metabolic activities cannot happen properly. Then we will say this is a type of disease. So this is a health and disease which are maintained by the nutrient materials, which are maintained by the carbohydrate, fats and vitamin. It goes and taken by the cell, and cell using this materials for the beating, for the breathing, for the filtering and for the thinking, and makes our body in very well. Tomorrow we will discuss about the definition of health and disease and more. Thank you.